Hey guys, welcome back. This is just a quick update video regarding my channel. And before I get into that, I just want to thank you guys really quick for 1,000 subscribers. About 10 months ago when I first started making videos about Linux, I was at around 100-ish subscribers, and I really didn't expect my channel to grow so fast in a year. I didn't expect to reach 1,000 anytime soon, but now I did, so thanks a lot, guys. But anyway, you guys might have noticed that my channel name has changed, and the reason why I changed it from Terminal Linux to Primal Penguin is because it didn't really make sense, Terminal Linux, and also prior to that, my channel was also known as Linux Terminal, and the idea behind it was initially, it was kind of a play on words with the whole terminal thing, but I decided that didn't really work out, and also my channel was kind of hard to find throughout the YouTube search box, so I decided this would be better. Plus it has the word penguin in it, so it fits my logo better, so I'll just stick with that. But yeah, so that's basically how my channel is going to be called. I'm going to try not to change my channel name anytime soon, but yeah, so it's basically, that's just it. Just wanted you guys to know that. And also regarding upload consistency, I've been uploading very inconsistently. One time I went 2 months without uploading, so I'm going to try to be more consistent in the future. So yeah, that was basically it, and hopefully I can start uploading more consistently. So yeah, thanks for watching.